Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock can maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Now, before we get into anything else, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. Subscribe to the channel. You already know from the title and the thumbnail of this video, y'all know what today is. Today is July 2nd, my father's birthday. Happy birthday, Pop. And it is Jordan 14. What are they calling these? Fire Red. They're calling them Toro 14s. Few different AKAs on these. What I'm calling them is out of here. No, but I picked up these once again. I picked these up for a subscriber, my homie right here in the Buckeye State. He lives up in Cleveland though. I'll put the link to his Instagram down in the description box below. It's a tattoo artist. Hopefully I can get some work from him. We don't know each other personally, but you know, we came to each other as we got mutual respect for what we do. I do YouTube, he does the tattoo thing, and that's something we both love. So, well, he loves sneakers and tattoos. So anyway, he knew from my Heater Cheeks video that I was not going to be keeping these if I was to hit. As y'all seen on IG, I did hit on the Toro Gym Red 14s in his size, my personal size, his personal size, size 11. And I'm letting them go, man. Retail out the door. So that's just what it is, man. When you make connections with people, you can throw people the lob. It is what it is. I'm not gonna keep them. It doesn't benefit me to keep them. He already paid for them because I'm trustworthy. But I hit on two pairs. I hit at JD and I also hit on Finishline. What I posted on IG is the Finishline pickup. But on JD, I hit on a size 12, and that also went to somebody locally that I know. So I'm going to pull out the size 12 right here. I'm not even going to touch his size 11. Those are going to be shipped off here in a few seconds. As soon as I get done with this video, we're going out the door to go ship those. But anyway, that's enough rambling. I don't know how much time I've spent talking. I haven't even looked at these yet. I've never seen these in hand. All I've seen is pictures. They put them they didn't even open the box for me in the store. With COVID and everything going on, they trying to get people in and out of there. So I hope that this is a quality pair, because I did not open it until I want to get an honest reaction here on camera. I guess I should show you the box. You got this all red Jordan box. It kind of looks, I guess it looks like a big ass Jordan 13 box. And it's huge. The size label reads Air Jordan 14 Retro Black Gym Red White and Off-White, size 12. And I'll just show you. You guys can see that, right? There it is. I don't have to read to adults. You guys can read for yourself. So all you don't have any lot number. I don't see a lot number stamped in the top of the box, but you do have a quality control sticker. You're probably not gonna see it because this white paper is gonna be washed out with the light. But anyway, now most sneakers like Jordan 1s and different things you can smell the glue. It's not a bad. These smell like farm animals. I don't like this. I don't like the smell out of the box on these. But anyway, here you go. Bam! I've talked so long, you haven't even seen a sneaker, but here it is. You got your Gym Red 14s, Toro 14s, whatever you want to call them. Like I said in my Heater Cheeks video, I know people are going crazy for these. Like I said, I have two pair. I know a lot of people took L's. I don't know how limited these are, but this is not a sneaker that I need. It's something about the sneaker that I don't love like as much as everybody else does. Everybody is falling in love with this black, white, and red theme. I'm hot. But it's something about all of this white, because if you look at, I'll try to get close. This part of the midsole, it's not going to show it because it's the lighting, but this part right here is white. These teeth and this part right here is like, I guess, off-white. It's like sail. It's something about it I just don't like. I don't like the combination. I don't like that it's sail and white, black and red. It's just too much going on. Maybe if this was black or something like that, I don't know what color it should be or what it could be, but it's something I just haven't fallen in love. I don't think these are cheeks by any stretch of the imagination, but I just don't think they're crazy. Like, man, I gotta have, like, as much as everybody else is going crazy for them. But that's the beauty of being a sneakerhead. That's the beauty of the community as a whole. Everybody has different tastes. I have these, the black toes. This is all I need. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking about. This is just, these are the same. Except for everywhere that this is white, obviously this is red. It still has, they both had that black toe. Fire. Now this, asthma attack. These, you know what I'm saying? I ain't mad at them. You know what I'm saying? I ain't mad. But anyway, I just wanted to be quick. I probably talked longer than I showed the sneakers. But I'm hot. And the AC is not on right now for some reason. And you can see the beads of sweat. And I'm going to ship my man's sneakers off, man. I salute y'all. I love y'all. Woo. OV!